I know I've been really slack on making videos. Heck, it's been damn months. But I figured that rather than saw through the really difficult videos that I'm working on like 4 of them, I figured I'd do this quick one right here because it's pretty compact and it's pretty neat. I enjoyed it. So anyhow, let's make the panel. Okay, let's talk about this panel because I think I'm going to make this piece. This is how the panel was originally. I really didn't like it because it was kind of stuck out there in front of everything. The compass was protruding out like this because of the bar underneath it, because I didn't plan properly. So this time, I'm going to make a plate where it sits behind, and it'll be like that. Anyhow, so I'm going to make the plate to where it comes down and makes a nice little lap over top of this, and then we'll secure it down, and I'll probably put a little flange right here and right here for switches. Even though I'm thinking about moving some stuff around on it, but we'll get there when we can. I'm going to recycle this piece because bending that stuff is just a pain in the butt. It's not broke. It'll be all right. So let's make that. You like coffee. You like your coffee hot. That's why you need one of these, a Stanley Thermos. This thing, you pour hot stuff into it and it stays hot all day long. So when you're doing stuff and you take a break, you can have hot coffee. So, Stanley Thermos, since 1913, because the start of World War I needed a good thermos. What you just saw there again is made the Sharpie marks. Then I took my torch and I just heated the aluminum to where the Sharpie began to disappear. And when the Sharpie disappears, the aluminum has been annealed, that is to say softened. The neat thing about Sharpie ink is its boiling point is about 800 degrees, which is also the annealing temperature of aluminum. So it's all good. We just gotta let it cool. The bad thing about aluminum when it's hot is it doesn't glow. It just doesn't change color at all. It's just freaking hot. And if you're not careful, it's real easy to pick it right back up. Trust me. Hey, dumbass, use the top of the table, not the bottom. There you go. Now we're straight up and down. Just a little bit of tweaking, just grabbed it and pushed it together. That was all. So what'll happen now is we're going to go ahead and put that flange on there. And we got to mark out where our holes are going to be for all the crap on the panel. We're going to make the wood overlay for it because I still want to have plywood right here just because. And what was it I forgot to do? And I'll probably put a little flange right here and right here for switches. Oh yeah. Oh well. I guess I gotta put my switches right here then. Anyhow, yeah, she'll get paint and primed, and this is gonna look pretty darn good. It's further back, it's out of the way, it's gonna work great. And with this, I won't be screwing up with my dang compass this time. It'll actually be back here. So let me go do that. Oh no, I can't reach that nut. I can't thread it. Whatever shall I do? Maybe I'll use these hemostats. They clamp, they grip. You could use them for surgery, but that's dumb. It requires way too much education. Instead, we can take our nut, put it inside, clamp it down, and now we can thread in for it. Pretty neat. Hemostats. You can get them in medical supply companies or Harbor Freight. Your choice. puts a bezel effect around where the compass is and where the radio is, so you can get to them and read them better. Well, it looks like the panel is pretty much done. We just got to mount it on the aircraft and mount that and wire it and do the sheeting on the top and then the combing around the thing. And we got a lot of work to do, but we're getting there, slow but sure. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe, blah, blah, blah. Whole 9 yards. But anyhow, thanks for watching.